You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Kalea Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Kalea Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Kalea Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Alright guys, thank you so much for staying with us. Still outside here for Daytime Live. It's food time. Hi Doctor. Anyone food them there? Alright, we have Kalea Jarrett with us this afternoon, owner of Spice and Rhythm, to talk about this very special dish. It's chicken ballotine.
Yes.
And this don't look like the kind of rice what I eat. It's a different color, but she's going to tell us all about it.
Okay, so this is a chicken ballotine. This is stuffed with jerk sachets. And this is actually brown rice with, this is brown rice and there's a broccoli, some sauteed broccoli on the side.
Tell me a little bit more about chicken ballotine. You said stuffed with sausage. Is it the breast that you're using?
Yes, it's a chicken breast.
How it works?
Yes, so it's a chicken breast and we roll it, and we usually do it a trusted method, being we use a Dutch, Dutch is, you call it thread, to like tie it and then put it in. First we pan sear it, and then after that we place it in the oven.
Okay, and then you serve it with brown rice. Is it because it's better with brown rice, or that's just the option you've chosen for today?
I personally feel like it's better. Anything you go, I think you can go wrong with chicken ballotine. So it's like, I saw the brown rice and just to switch it up a little, I'm like, okay, you know, yeah.
And then you have to balance it with a little bit of vegetables, because you need some of that in your
Yes, definitely, just a little bit.
What's so special about this dish? Why should we have it? Is this geared towards a specific type of person? Like, I'm going to the gym, so I need to eat a little bit healthier. Would this be something for me?
This is definitely an healthy option. As I say, you don't fry it in like, you know, a lot of fatty, and we use it in the oven, we bake it. And so I feel like it's personal, and it's chicken breast. So yeah, I feel like it's an healthy option for a person like who's going to the gym, or so yeah. Definitely.
How easy is it for someone like me to prepare, especially if you can't cook? Well, me can't cook, not me. But if I need to follow somebody else, exactly. If someone needs to follow like a recipe for this, what are the steps to take us through this? You stuff it with the sausage.
So I find diced sachets, like really chopped up fine, and also for the color to color, if you look closely in the dish, you see a little color like that's the sweet pepper. So I find diced also some sweet pepper to go with it, and to put it together, like say you use a binding agent like egg, and also the breadcrumbs to bind it together. And after that, you just, I personally, when I say other person to make it, I say what they do is like they just wrap it up same way me, put it in the pot, and then cook it down, and then after that wrap it, put it inside the chicken breast, flatten the chicken breast out, beat it like with the mullet. Yeah, season it, everything, and also I put a little seasoning also in the sachets, and before I place it in the chicken breast, roll it up, and yeah, that's about it.
Is this your signature dish, your specialty? This is the dish that you cook when you're trying to impress?
Yes, this is the dish I cook when I try to impress.
How much you tie with that dish here already?
How much you tie?
How much people you tie with this?
Family members.
Family members. Talk to me a little bit more about your culinary background though. Cooking has always been something that you love doing?
Actually, growing up, I always think that I was here that I was supposed to become a nurse and all that. So it's like, the first thing I usually think about is like I actually did the sciences in school, even did it in community college, and I realized it was just something that I love. I don't love it. So it's like, I was about to go into university, and my sister is like, you don't love sciences, so why do it? And I'm like, that's so true. So like, I was at home, it's kind of for a time period, and I was just like cooking, I just was shoving it up in the kitchen. I was like, yeah, this is how much I really love. And going forward, like starting UTech, because that's what I'd major in culinary in, and no matter the challenges in the kitchen, I realize I really love it because I'm a person. I can't take challenges, you know, because I start to get frustrated and ball and everything. So like when we realize that challenges come and it's like really enjoy it. I like to be busy in the kitchen. I like a busy kitchen. I like me some busy kitchen. So when the kitchen gets busy and it's a joy, just like.
So it wasn't a challenge for you anymore. You're like, oh, I'm gonna take that on.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it on. Anything that comes up, I'm just gonna take it on. Yeah.
And then you started Spice and Rhythms. Talk to me about what Spice and Rhythm is. It's a restaurant?
So Spice and Rhythm is a restaurant. It's actually not my restaurant, it's my father's restaurant. And my father plays a big part like in inspiring me to become a chef also, because I always seen him like up and down, so busy, but no matter what, I actually saw him in the kitchen because he's an executive chef. And I saw him in the kitchen, you know how he works, and no matter how hard the work gets, he just never gives up, and he just put out his best always. So it's like, yeah, you know. Okay. So Spice and Rhythm is a restaurant. Yeah.
How would you describe your style, your signature dish, what your menu or your recipes are like?
Yes.
Your flavor, is it Caribbean influenced? Is it, I don't know, Asian?
I feel it's mixed because I like to try out different stuff and a wide variety of food, different cultures. So I feel like it's mixed with, especially Jamaican, because the Jamaican food, the Caribbean, the spices and all of that really influence my dishes a lot. But I also try to go try a wide variety of dishes.
For persons who want to try this signature dish, your chicken ballotine or any other dish, where can we find Spice and Rhythm? Are you on social media? Is there a location?
Yeah.
Order, how it works?
So Spice and Rhythm is actually in Montego Bay because I'm a Montegonian. So yes, it's in Montego Bay and Barnett Street, 33 Barnett Street, across from Thrifty gas station. Yes.
Okay. All right. Awesome. And they can call in and place orders, or they have to come in, walk in, dine in.
You can. We mainly focus on delivery right now, and you can even do takeout. That's the main thing that we're doing.
Barnett Street in Montego Bay.
Yes.
All right, Kalea. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank
High
you.
five. Soon come more in Daytime Live right after this break. Chicken ballotine. Stop with the
Move out my way. Me, I'm mad for my day.
You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Kalea Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Kalea Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Kalea Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.